Hello friends, today I'm doing the unboxing and try on of another American Eagle jeans that I've got lately, and let's get started. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe for future videos. So, first pair of jeans that I've got are these ones. So these are American Eagle high-rise jegging. I got them for free. They were for free because at American Eagle is program when you buy 5 pairs of jeans, you get one for free. So I decided to buy 5 pairs. Of course it was not, maybe a few months took me. And first pair I've got a big discount as I opened credit card at American Eagle, so it was much cheaper. And then also each pair was 10% cheaper with credit card, and it adds with other coupons. So I've got these jeans because I decided that I would try these ones, and they were just 1 cent, and the original price is $59. So I also, many jeans are sold out at site, and I don't see any much in my size, which is 16. These were, so I've got them. So this one looks like this. They are light wash, which I really enjoy lately. Jeans light wash, I don't know why, but prefer lately. And these ones are made from thicker material. I think it's a little bit thicker, and it's stretchy, which I really like. And they have weird this part. Looks like it's little, like curvy one, and they stretchy too. And this is size 16. We also have this kind of stuff in the back, which is, I don't know if it's from real leather or not. It do look like a real one, but maybe it's not. No, it's not. And then they have this dressing right here in the back and the bottom. Each part is distressed. Each side, I mean back and front is distressed, and another one too. So yeah, so they are not simple regular jeans, but a little bit different. And the back looks like this. Okay, I will try them. And this is how they look. These are American Eagle Luxe jeans. They are high-waisted, super high-waisted or something like that. So I hit my belly button. Light wash. That one is size 16. They are made from thicker jean, thicker quality jean than other kinds, because our American Eagle jeans seems like more thin. This one seems thick. And it comes with this dressing like here on the leg, but not near, not here. And this waist has this kind of patch, which reminds me of curvy jeans, but it's stretched, so it's comfortable. These jeans are never good for winter or fall, or maybe spring, but not summer, because it seems warmer than other kinds. Maybe in cold summer. Next pair of jeans that I bought are 2 pairs of jeans, but one I returned already, so just show you another one. And I filmed the try on, but I forgot to film the unboxing, so I just show you one. These ones are jeggings also, but high-rise crop, and they have next level stretch, and they looks like this. The wash, I really like this kind of wash. It's just light. These ones are thinner than other ones. We have this tracing here, and then they have much distressing on the legs. Here are 3 holes, here even more, like this hole is all together, which is funny. This hole, see, we also stretchy, and at the bottom we also have weird distressing on both sides. Funny. Now they are in style, such weird jeans. But yeah, these ones were 29. Now they are 29, but I've got them on clearance. These ones for 19, minus 10%. Next pair of jeans I've got at American Eagle are these ones. I've got them on clearance for $19 minus 10%, and they looks like this. They are 90s boyfriend. I've got them in size 18 and they fit me because there are no stretchable jeans, so I size up in them because they doesn't stretch when I'm size 18. So these ones are funny looking. As you can see, they are really funny looking jeans. They have much distressing, like, and holes all around them. Like these holes is one big hole with some distressing, and also here is hole, and then here, and this holes here, and then also this part has one big hole. Oh gosh, it's not connected, which I don't know if I like. So I would prefer it's connected. See? Maybe I could connect it somehow, I don't know. And then bottom way looks like this. We have this dressing and not even. And here too. Funny jeans. Yeah, so that's how they look. So that's how they look. Funny 90s style jeans. Oh, and they also have buttons instead of zipper. So I will try them on. Yeah. Oh, they're so big here. They look stupid. Oh gosh, this thing is so weird. Look. This is fine, but this weird. And online they looks like this. So we have this hole. Here. Here. Maybe I would connect this and this somehow together. Is that possible? I don't know. Oh, this with this. It's like this.